I have 3 trapdoors in the house in case a hurricane comes, so the house will flood. Because if the houses don't flood, they'll float away. So we haven't had water in the house yet. Then again, we haven't had a major hurricane yet either. But if we do so, the water will blow the hatches off, flood the building. This way the house will sit where it is. I also have cables on screw piles that hold it down into the mud. And the house is built on mud sills. There's no poles going into the ground. And all that stuff was recycled wood. And hopefully it'll be here. We'll see what happens. I was blessed with this playhouse. I don't know. It was just destiny. You know, I would kill to protect this playhouse if I had to. This is like a child to me. You know. I come out here and I get away from it all. I do my work out here and no one bothers me. I can come out here during the duck season and go duck hunting, and I can still look at the craziness of the mainland right across the canal. I mean, where can you do that on Long Island? Where can you jump in a boat and go to a little tiny island in your own little shack and listen to the radio and just shut off the world and not deal with computers and all the craziness that's on the mainland? That's why I have a bay house. That's what I like it about. You know, that's where it's at, man. You just can't go and get these. You can't buy them. You can't find them. You can't build them anymore. The few people that are lucky enough to have one to take care of it for their little duration of time, this is just a blessing. That's all it really is. Just destiny.